I can feel everything now, but I don't feel like I used to,
You're not what you were.
and not what I will become.
Something very strange happened today in the river.
What happened?
A little child disappeared before me.
It's just a sign of what is coming.
Could this be what Obina informed me of? That something not of chaos is coming. He said that. Yes.
You have altered a closed system.
It was broken.
It was stable. You are not a guardian. You are an anomaly with generative potential.
They are not enemies. They are what comes after gods.
I know.
This is what you disrupted.
Balance is not stillness. It's movement that holds.
Is that your judgment?
It is a fact.
We will meet again